Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Crua monitor no sound. If you want to fix the issue, then the first thing you need to do, in the back side of your Crua monitor, you need to see any speaker connecting port or audio jack is available or not. If you find any audio jack port or connecting port is available on the back of your Crua monitor, then simply connect the external speakers like JBL speaker, Sony speaker or any other speaker you have connected to your Crua monitor. Like in the back of your Crua monitor, the audio jack is available. Then you need to connect the audio jack cable, one side on the Crua monitor and the another side to your speaker. Then you will get sound on your Crua monitor. And if you find in your Crua monitor, you have different connecting speaker ports. So connect the connecting wires, one side with your Crua monitor and another side with your speaker. Then you will get sound on your monitor. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content. Thanks for watching.